Okay, so you're on section 1B, so that means you're going to be solving two-step inequalities and graphing them on a number line. So again, inequalities work just like equations, except there are no equal signs. Instead, we have our less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. You cannot forget your special rule. It applies through everything. So, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, your inequality sign flips. Okay, so it will turn around. So let's practice. These are two-step equations. You're really good at these. First thing we need to do is get rid of our number, our constant. So I'm going to subtract it. 2x is greater than 2. Now you're going to divide by 2. So you get x is greater than 1. That's your answer. Here, first thing I'm going to do is subtract 6. So I get negative 3x is greater than or equal to 18. I'm going to divide by negative 3. So x is less than or equal to negative 6. Okay, I have minus 12, so that means I'm going to add it. 11x is less than 22. Divide by 11. X is less than 2. Here I'm going to subtract 2. Negative 5x is less than 10. Divide by negative 5. X is greater than negative 2. Notice the ones I put stars by. That means my sign had to flip. I divided by a negative number. I divided by a negative. Sign had to flip. It was greater than, now it's less than. Less than, now it's greater than. Now let's graph them. So again, if it's just less than or greater than, it's an open circle. It's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, it's a closed circle. Arrow points the way line goes. So, for example, I'm going to subtract 4. Get 4x is greater than 4. Divide by 4. X is greater than 1. Open or closed circle, that's open. So I'm going to put an open circle over 1, arrow going to the right. Example F. How do I undo plus? I subtract. So I get negative 3x is less than or equal to negative 15. I'm going to divide by negative 3. So I get x is greater than or equal to 5. Because I divided by negative, my sign flipped. So I'm going to have a closed circle over 5, arrow going to the right. Last one together. How do I undo subtraction? I add. Whoops. Add 13. 7x is less than or equal to 14. Divide by 7. This sign will not flip since I'm dividing by positive 7. I get x is less than or equal to 2. Close circle over 2. Going to the left. Okay, you are done with 2 steps. You are going to do a practice and a review and a little assessment. and you'll be on to multi-step inequalities.